guys, in this video I'm going to be making Orbeez slime because I haven't really seen a lot of people make it. I'm sure people have made it before though, but I don't know how well this is going to turn out, but I really think it's a fun idea, and I have one more pack of Orbeez left, so I decided to put it into some slime to make it more fun. So let's just get started. So I have a bucket of water here, and I'm just going to put this pack of Orbeez inside. To make the slime. I'm just gonna crush the Orbeez. So the crushed Orbeez didn't really stick to the slime at first, but they're starting to stick now, so this is how it turned out. It's not the best, but you know.
No, there ain't no stopping us.